Welcome to Cozy Home Interior. What if your apartment 600 sq feet could suddenly feel twice as big without knocking down a single wall? Sounds impossible, right? But what if the problem isn't your space, it's how you're using it? In the next few moments, you'll discover simple but powerful ideas that can turn your tight living room into a flexible comfort zone, make your kitchen feel sleek and effortless, and even transform that tiny balcony into your favorite escape. And here's the surprising part. Most people completely overlook one small area that can instantly make their entire apartment 600 sq feet feel cleaner, bigger, and more put together. Are you making that mistake too? Stay right here, because once you see these ideas, you won't look at your apartment 600 sq feet the same way again. Don't go anywhere. Designing a multifunctional living room in an apartment 600 sq feet requires intentional choices that maximize comfort and usability without overcrowding the space. A compact sofa bed or love seat becomes the centerpiece, effortlessly transforming your apartment 600 sq feet into a guest-ready zone. Layering with a soft rug helps define the living area visually, especially in an open-plan apartment 600 sq feet. Incorporating a coffee table with hidden storage keeps clutter out of sight while maintaining a clean aesthetic. Neutral tones like white, beige, or soft gray allow your apartment 600 sq feet to feel brighter and more expansive. The goal is to create a seamless blend of relaxation and functionality. If you're planning to refresh your apartment 600 sq feet, consider starting with this flexible layout to instantly elevate both style and practicality in your everyday living experience. To make your apartment 600 sq feet living room truly adaptable, focus on furniture that serves more than one purpose. Choose lightweight pieces that can be moved easily, allowing your apartment 600 sq feet to shift layouts when needed. Wall-mounted shelves are a great addition, freeing up floor space while adding vertical storage to your apartment 600 sq feet. Consider foldable or nesting tables that can expand when guests arrive and tuck away afterward. Lighting also plays a key role. Use layered lighting like floor lamps and wall sconces to create warmth without cluttering your apartment 600 sq feet. Keep decorations minimal but meaningful to avoid visual overload. If you're ready to upgrade your apartment 600 sq feet, try implementing one or two of these ideas and notice how quickly your space feels more open, functional, and inviting. Transforming a balcony in an apartment 600 sq feet into a relaxing retreat can significantly enhance your living experience. Even a small balcony in an apartment 600 sq feet has the potential to become a cozy outdoor escape with the right design approach. Start with compact seating such as a foldable chair or a slim bench that doesn't overwhelm the limited space of your apartment 600 sq feet. Add soft textiles like cushions or an outdoor rug to create warmth and comfort. Incorporating greenery such as vertical plants or hanging pots brings life and freshness to your apartment 600 sq feet balcony. Stick to a light, neutral color palette to maintain a clean and airy feel. With thoughtful styling, your apartment's 600 sq foot balcony can become a perfect spot to unwind. If you're ready to upgrade your apartment's 600 sq feet, start by turning your balcony into a peaceful mini oasis. To maximize your apartment's 600 sq foot balcony, focus on smart, space-saving solutions. Use foldable or stackable furniture so your apartment's 600 sq foot balcony remains flexible and uncluttered. Vertical planters or railing-mounted pots are ideal for adding greenery without sacrificing floor space in your apartment's 600 sq foot. Consider installing soft lighting like string lights or small lanterns to create a warm ambience during the evening. Keep decorations minimal but intentional to avoid overwhelming your apartment's 600 sq foot balcony. Weather-resistant materials will ensure durability and long-term comfort. If you want to elevate your apartment's 600 sq foot lifestyle, start with simple balcony upgrades and enjoy a refreshing outdoor extension of your home every day. A well-designed kitchen in an apartment's 600 sq feet should prioritize efficiency without compromising style. A galley or single-wall layout works perfectly in an apartment's 600 sq feet, keeping everything within easy reach. Built-in appliances such as a compact oven and cooktop help maintain a streamlined look in your apartment's 600 sq foot. Minimalist cabinets with hidden handles enhance the clean aesthetic while preventing visual clutter. Adding under-cabinet lighting not only improves functionality but also gives your apartment's 600 sq feet a modern, polished feel. Light color palettes reflect more light, making the kitchen appear larger than it actually is. With thoughtful planning, your apartment's 600 sq foot kitchen can feel surprisingly spacious. If you're considering a makeover, start by simplifying your layout and focusing on efficiency. It will completely transform how you experience cooking in your apartment's 600 sq foot. To enhance your apartment's 600 sq foot kitchen, focus on organization and smart storage solutions. Use vertical racks, magnetic strips, and wall hooks to keep essentials accessible without crowding your apartment's 600 sq foot countertops. Opt for stackable containers and drawer organizers to maintain order inside cabinets. In an apartment's 600 sq feet, every inch matters, so consider pull-out shelves or hidden compartments for added efficiency. Keep your color scheme consistent to create visual harmony throughout your apartment's 600 sq foot. Also, limit unnecessary appliances to maintain a clean and breathable space. If you want to elevate your apartment's 600 sq foot kitchen experience, start by decluttering and introducing just a few smart upgrades. You'll immediately notice a more functional and enjoyable cooking environment. A dining area in an apartment 600 sq feet doesn't need to be large to be functional and stylish. A foldable wall-mounted table or a compact dining set for 2 to 4 people fits perfectly in an apartment 600 sq foot. You can also use a bar counter as a dual-purpose dining and prep area, maximizing efficiency in your apartment 600 sq foot. Lightweight chairs make it easy to rearrange or store them when not in use. Keeping the dining area integrated with the kitchen creates a seamless flow, making your apartment 600 sq feet feel more spacious. Choosing cohesive colors and materials ensures visual harmony throughout your apartment 600 sq foot. If you're planning a refresh, consider simplifying your dining setup to create a practical yet inviting space for everyday meals. To elevate your apartment's 600 sq foot dining area, focus on flexibility and smart design. Choose foldable or extendable tables that adapt to your needs, making your apartment's 600 sq feet more versatile. Stackable chairs are a great option to save space when not in use. Add a simple centerpiece or minimal decor to enhance the dining experience without cluttering your apartment's 600 sq foot. Lighting is key. Install a small pendant light to define the area and create ambience. Keep everything proportional to maintain balance in your apartment's 600 sq foot. If you want to upgrade your dining space, start with multifunctional furniture and subtle styling. It will instantly make your apartment's 600 sq feet feel more refined and efficient. Designing a functional entryway in an apartment 600 sq feet is essential for creating a strong first impression while maintaining organization. Even in a small apartment 600 sq feet, the entryway can serve as a practical transition zone between the outside world and your living space. Start with a slim console table or a wall-mounted shelf to hold daily essentials like keys and mail. Adding hooks or a compact coat rack helps keep your apartment 600 sq feet tidy and clutter-free. A mirror not only enhances the visual appeal but also makes your apartment 600 sq feet feel larger and brighter. Keep the color palette light and cohesive to maintain a seamless flow throughout your apartment 600 sq foot. With the right design approach, your entryway can feel welcoming and efficient. If you're ready to upgrade your apartment 600 sq feet, start by refining this often overlooked space. optimize your apartment's 600 sq ft entryway, focus on simplicity and smart storage solutions. Use wall hooks, floating shelves, or a pegboard to keep items accessible without cluttering your apartment's 600 sq ft floor space. A small bench with hidden storage can add both comfort and practicality to your apartment's 600 sq ft. Consider using baskets or trays to organize smaller items neatly. Lighting is also important. Soft, warm lighting can make your apartment's 600 sq ft entryway feel more inviting. Keep decor minimal but intentional to avoid overcrowding the space. If you want to enhance your apartment's 600 sq ft experience, start by decluttering and adding a few functional elements. You'll immediately notice a cleaner, more welcoming entrance every day.